Hello everyone, welcome to Alora's Kitchen and Lifestyle. Today let's check how to make this delicious pepper chicken. Take breast chicken 450 gram or 1 pound, add salt as per your taste, pepper powder half teaspoon, add 2 teaspoon of lemon juice. Mix everything well and marinate it for at least 30 minutes. In a pan, take 4 teaspoon of oil. Add 1 medium sized onion, add 1 inch of ginger and 7 to 8 garlic cloves, add 2 green chili and fry them in high flame for 5 minutes. Add some soaked cashew nuts of 2 teaspoon, salt as per your taste. I forgot to add the tomato here, so I'll be adding tomato puree, otherwise you can add it over here itself and let it cool down, then we'll grind it. In the same pan, add another 4 teaspoon of oil. Add the chicken, cook the chicken for 4 to 5 minutes. This is tender chicken, so it will not take much time to get cooked. I am cooking them in the medium flame. Now switch off the flame and grind the masalas and add it to the chicken. Add some water to the jar and add to the chicken. Keep the flame medium and then let them cook for some time. Cover it and let them cook. Then add 1 tomato puree. Add salt if required. Then remove the cover and mix them. Add garam masala half teaspoon. Add 1/4 cup of beaten curd. Make sure you are beating the curd and then adding it. Okay, and make sure this time the flame is off, and once you mix it, then you switch on the flame. Add some more water and keep mixing. Add 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder and chopped coriander. So our delicious pepper chicken is almost ready. Finally, add some Kasoori methi of 1 teaspoon. And our pepper chicken is ready. Do definitely try out this recipe. This came out really well, and it has a different tangy flavor with and it goes very well with chapati. You can also enjoy it with rice. And thank you everyone for watching. Have a very nice day.